This is the afternoon weather update. This is for Thursday, the 5th of October. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather featuring a chance of showers tonight and tomorrow. Nothing like what we really need, but at least some locations could see the dust settled. And then the coolest air so far this season, blowing in here just in time for the weekend. Let's begin with the upper air look. That trough that's been over the western states is moving on out. Moving across parts of the Midwest, it'll be pushing a cold front in our direction. There's the visible satellite view across the deep south. The sky mostly cloudy across Alabama. Some sun for the southeastern counties of the state. And underneath the clouds, we have a little light rain falling in scattered pockets over parts of west and north Alabama. Again, nothing widespread, nothing heavy, but a few raindrops, and we'll have the chance of showers tonight and tomorrow. But again, rain amounts will be fairly light and fairly spotty. Temperatures are mostly in the low 80s over much of the state, although some spots are in the 70s. Cullman and Haleyville, 77. Birmingham at 81. 86 for Montgomery, 87 for Dothan. But these numbers come way down by Saturday and Sunday. Take a look at the watch warning map, and we have in Alabama now the counties in pink. That is a red flag warning, and that is in effect for Saturday, and that is for the potential of wildfires. Saturday will feature a very dry air mass coming in here, a very brisk north wind, and with the dry conditions, there's just fear that there might be some wildfires. So, again, a red flag warning for about the southern half of the state on Saturday. And to the north, all the counties in blue, that is a freeze watch in effect from Kansas up to the Canadian border, as they will experience in many places the first freeze of the season over the next few days. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. We have a marginal risk over the southern tip of Texas. That would include places like Brownsville and McAllen. Tomorrow, much of the country thunder-free, maybe a few pockets of thunder. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, we have a risk of some thunder for the upper Atlantic coast, but no organized severe weather is expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, we're going to mention showers tonight and tomorrow. Not what we need, but we'll take what we get. That's the way it works in the weather business. Rain amounts generally 0.2 of an inch or less for the western half of the state. Barely enough rain to measure, if anything at all, for the eastern counties. And after tomorrow, things look fairly dry through the first half of next week. Tropical weather, we have one system on the board. That is Tropical Storm Philippe. That is well to the east of the Bahamas. Here's the 7-day outlook, and we do note a new tropical wave will be coming off the coast of Africa tomorrow, and the Hurricane Center giving this a 30% chance of developing over the next 7 days. And Philippe will be passing near or just west of Bermuda tomorrow, and then becoming post-tropical this weekend as it comes up toward the coast of Maine or Nova Scotia with some wind and some rain. But again, we see no systems near the Gulf through the weekend. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. And you can see that long wave trough becoming established over the eastern states, and that's pushing a surface front in here. And tomorrow should be a mostly cloudy day. It will not rain all day, and again, some spots with basically nothing meaningful, but at least a chance of showers. Highs tomorrow in the upper 70s in most spots, with only a limited amount of sun. And then Saturday as the weekend begins, here comes that refreshingly cool autumn air. A sunny, breezy day with highs in the 60s for the northern half of the state, 70s in South Alabama. Check out the temperature anomalies on Saturday in all the shades of blue and green over the eastern half of the country. Those are temperatures well below average. This is Sunday. By Sunday morning, many spots are going to be in the 40s. Maybe South Alabama is going to see some 40s. We note the National Blend of Models has dropped the low for Birmingham down to 44 on Saturday or Sunday morning, which means we're probably going to see some spots in the upper 30s. How about that? Sunday will be a sunny day, highs in the 60s for the northern counties, 70s for the south. Monday, a sunny day. We start the day again in the 40s in many spots. The high will be in the 70s. Tuesday, we're dry. Some spots may be flirting with 80. And then on Wednesday, a surface low in the Gulf. Not a really tropical system, but this is suggesting a chance of showers Thursday, mainly for the far southern counties of Alabama and the areas near the Gulf Coast. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 12th. And again, we've got moisture coming in from the south, another cold front approaching from the north and west. So I do think the better chance of showers next week will be at the end of the week on Friday. That's a week from tomorrow. How much rain to be determined? Hopefully we'll get maybe a quarter or a half inch in spots, but we'll see how that plays out. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, October 15th. And again, we have troughing over the eastern states and another refreshingly cool air mass dropping in here after that chance of rain toward the end of next week. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS Ensemble. The mean, it's the green line, near or slightly under 1 inch between now and the 21st of October. And the numbers coming off the National Blend of Models. This is for Birmingham, 79 tomorrow, 67 for the high Saturday and Sunday. And again, 44 Sunday morning. Wow. 48 Monday morning. And then the next shot of cool air comes in by the 15th and 16th, with lows going back in the 40s by then. And hot off the presses. Got the brand new 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for October 13th through October 19th. And we're back in the blue, meaning temperatures will be below average if this forecast verifies. Let's roll some Kid Cam video today. Had a whopper of a crowd at Donahoe School. This is the lower Donahoe School. These kids are pre-K up through 6th grade, and I got all kind of goodies. I see some Polygon treats in there, but boy, that stuff is outstanding. But we had such a good time today talking about weather. These kids were just tremendous. So again, to all of the teachers and all of the students and the administrative team at Donahoe School in Anniston. The lower school, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Had a chance to see the Anniston Kiwanis Club after the visit to Donahoe, so a big day over in Calhoun County. This evening, I will be in Tuscaloosa County, be on the Hey Coach show with Coach Saban. I'm the media guest this week. I'll probably take his show right down the tubes, but that's okay. We have fun. We're going to have a lot of laughs, so if you get a chance, join us there. Tomorrow, I'm going to be speaking to a senior adult group in Alabaster, and then I'll be at Piedmont High School back in Calhoun County tomorrow evening for Friday Night Rivals. They'll be hosting Westbrook Christian, and I'll be there at 4, 5, and 6 on ABC 3340 Blitz Game Day on My 68 at 6:30. The game itself on Channel 68 at 7. And then Saturday, it's a book signing. We're coming to the Tennessee Valley, North Alabama, far eastern Lawrence County. This is a big fundraiser for the Caddo Midway Volunteer Fire Department. This is between Decatur and Moulton. So if you're in Decatur, Moulton, Athens, East Lawrence, anywhere in the Tennessee Valley, come see us. We'll be there from noon to 3 at their volunteer fire station. Again, they're going to have music and food and fun, and a lot of things are happening. We're not just the only thing going on there, but again, noon to 3 for a book signing tomorrow at the Caddo Midway Volunteer Fire Department, Eastern Lawrence County. We'd love to see you there. We'll have our new weather book for kids, Benny and Chipper, The Wonder of Thunder. And, of course, all the other books and the shirts and all kind of cool stuff. So come see us noon to 3 on Saturday. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. I'll be there at 4, 5, and 10. Riley Blackham will be sitting for me at 6 while I make the journey down to Tuscaloosa for Hey Coach. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.